Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Dear devotees of the world, we all are facing a dangerous illness named 2020 COVID-19 plague. How to get rid of this dangerous illness? Dear devotees, no God could control the nature, but our Lord Buddha preached us, one who lives with Dhamma, the Dhamma will protect him or her from evil. Pay your homage to the triple gem. Worship the triple gem, Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha. This is Dhamma. Lord Buddha was the supreme doctor for the ills of the world. Besajya Guru. The great quality gratitude was taught to the world by Lord Buddha. After the enlightenment of Buddhahood, he thought, who helped me to become Buddhahood? No one but this holy Bo tree helped me. It gave me shelter. It protected me to defeat the Mara battle and the victory of Buddhahood. I must pay back my gratitude to the holy Bo tree. So Lord Buddha worshipped the holy Bo tree, gazing at it for 1 week in standing position in front of the Bo tree. And also communicated with it and determined by heart, after my passing away from this world, the innocent devotees will come to you for their grievances. On that day, you may become another Buddha and help them. So we Buddhists, we offer flowers, light lamps, pouring water to the holy Bo tree, chanting Pirit, and offer Bodhi Puja to the holy Bo tree. Dear devotees of the world, please pay back your gratitude to Mother Nature. Don't destroy the nature. Slaves of myth, ruining the world, they destroyed fauna, flora and human society. Lord Buddha preferred the jungle. The jungle is a wonderful treasure with boundless mercy and virtue, demanding nothing for its existence, distributing its great wealth, generosity, giving protection to all living beings, and offering gloomy shade even to the very man who raises his axe to destroy, said Gautama Buddha. Dear devotees of the world, almost all religions are built on blind faith. But in Buddhism, emphasis is laid on seeing, knowing and understanding and not on faith or belief. In Buddhist text, there is a word saddha. Saddha is not faith as such, but rather confidence, born out of conviction. In popular Buddhism and also in ordinary usage, in the text, the word saddha, it must be admitted, has an element of faith in the sense that it signifies devotion to the Buddha, the Dhamma, the Sangha. However, you put it faith on belief and understood by most religions has little to do with Buddhism. The question of belief arises when there is no seen in every sense of the word. The moment you see, the question of belief disappears. If I tell you that I have a gem hidden in the folded palm of my hand, the question of belief arises because you do not see yourself. But if I unclench my fist and show you the gem, then you see it for yourself. And the question of belief does not arise. So the praise in ancient Buddhist text reads, Realizing as one sees a gem in the palm, the Buddha says, O Bhikkhu, I say that the destruction of defilement and impurities is for a person who knows and who sees, and not for a person who does not know and does not see. The teaching of Buddha is qualified as Ehi Passika, inviting you to come and see, but not to come and believe. May the triple gem bless you. I am Kolonnavi Anuruddha Theru. Thank you.